Hi everyone. I wanted to check history of commands that I've been running related to activity that I have done previously, and I have a horrible memory. I cannot access or remember all of them. So here's what I've done. So the first command that I'd like to show you is Get-PSReadLineOption. Cool. So here you will see parameters set to different values. So for instance, you can see the one of the options I was looking at is completion query item set to 100, and save history. One of the options, where is it here? On the left side, yes, history save style, save incrementally. So that means that the history in the terminal is saved with each command. So you can change it to save at exit or not save at all. So you can change all these settings here with the following command. So I'm just going to make a screenshot very quickly so you can see how it is set by default. Okay. And let's run this command to change one of these settings. Let's say I want to change a color and I want to change color selection to magenta. So currently, color selection is set to this color over here, selection color. Just zoom it in. So selection color is set to this format. So I will change it to magenta. Just checking make sure I spelled correctly. So, okay, and then hit enter. And then let's run the read command again to check if changes took place. It will be get, sorry. Okay, so here's our selection color. So we changed the color to magenta. Another cool thing is we can do multiple color set, change values, multiple colors at the time. So let's check how it works. So which colors do we want? Let's say operation color, we want to set to dark green. So let's find our operation color. It's currently gray, and also parameter color is gray. So let's change both of these to dark green and dark yellow. Mm. And run the command again to check if our changes took place. So it will be get. Okay, so operator color changed to green, parameter color changed to yellow. Cool. Okay, one of the things that you can see from this command in the list is the history save path. And that's what I mentioned earlier. So if you want to see the history of commands that you've been running previously, you can access them here. And this is the path to my system where I can access it from. So let's check. Okay. And let's see what's inside the file. So inside we have just a very brief. We have the date when I accessed it, and also we have this file where the history is located. And here you can see the location. It's exactly the same. And this is my file. And I can see different commands that I accessed. As you can see, it's a very high level. It's missing the timestamp when you ran these commands. So if you're not really particular about the time, if you don't need it, then this option will be helpful for you. So I hope I clarified a few things. Thank you for watching.
And if you like this video and found it helpful, please hit the subscribe button below. Thank you.